Got him. Well, we just got set up. It rained about 3 inches, as you can see.
We still out.
This is our second flag. First one was a false alarm. This one looks like it's off to the side, so.
Oh yeah, it's off to the side. It's going to. Sick up.
Bruh.
Brother. These dumb fish don't know how to eat today. Oh.
Well, false alarm part 2. Well, got a tip up. Oh yeah, it's going.
Look at the phone. Look at that phone.
It was going, it just stopped. Bruh. He dropped it. It was going. Because he was running, my rod was... You see that when we came out?
Maybe we just gotta go... You think they, with how clear like some of this is on this sheet? Maybe we just gotta go way slower. It sounds though, I don't know.
Yeah.
Sounds like something dumb, but...
I mean, no, 100%. Because he was literally running with it. And then I literally like watched it stop.
Where'd that towel go? I wonder if this is so much easier. Yep, your hand stays real. Wow! Wow, that was really cool. The flag went up. Calm down, calm down.
Well, this is our 6th flag. Sadly, haven't caught a single one yet. Is this the time? It's off to the side, it looks like. But it looks like nothing's there. Got him? How's that feel?
Good. Hopefully our first walleye of the day.
Yeah, 7 tries later, 9 tries later, bro.
First walleye of the day, baby. Can't kneel down. Got our pajamas on.
Nice.
Beauty. Let's go find this one.
Well, we're keeping this guy.
Yep. He's got to be under 17.
Dude, he could probably survive even. I pulled it up like a professional.
Alright, put him on a bump quick. I want to know that he's under 17.
Yep, he's under.
Okay.
Our 6th tip up, or iFish Pro, we finally got one. Oh, they're super finicky this morning. We both missed some jigging, and this one finally committed.
Oh,
I saw that.
Damn it!
That was a little fish.
I mean, that would have been really cool.
I saw the little. Oh, are you serious, bro? There we go.
Beautiful!
Are you shitting me, bro?
What's happening on day 3?
Bro,
I'm telling you, it's the odd number day.
are you serious? That's there went my minnow head. I watched it fall. Okay, well, it didn't feel huge. So 10th flag of the day. Is he running? That bell's not doing anything on there. Yeah, he's there. He's there.
Got him. Another walleye. Oh yeah. Another fish taco.
We're finally committing. We're super finicky this morning.
I literally like got done with the last swipe and it went dong 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 dong.
Nice. Our first 7 tip-ups, a few of them we saw running, but then we literally saw them drop it. We saw the line running and then the line just went slack. So it's good they're finally committing.
Where are they? Hey, he's not too happy. He's in the shack with nice fish.
Oh yeah. Go to eat her.
He'll go right there. I know he's on there, but
Look at this 15.5.
wow!
I'm a professional, dude. Only time a little walleye will be acceptable.
He took him so gently.
I know. Yeah, let's go set up the iFish Pro.
iFish Pro Fish. Put down that stick and a piece of water, a drop of water.
Just do the skin on top of the dorsal. Perfect.
That good?
Back to the warm candy. My iFish Pro just went off. Dropped it. Well, that's only the 10th time today. Dude, what a light bite today.
Oh yeah.
I got salt and pepper.
How do you like your lettuce cut?
Not like a salad taco.
Tip up. We have a tip up. No wake. Don't make a wake. Maybe that's it.
Oh.
I don't know. Nothing's moving. It does look like it's off to the side though.
Finally Waymire.
Hell yeah, dude.
You got him.
Oh yeah, he's bleeding. Oh yeah. Walleye. That felt nice. Tuned up custom rod. 34-inch. Split grip. I just switched this rod to a red treble hook too. That was the first flag we had on it. It was the first fish that I did not miss on this rod. Foggy. Making tacos at the moment too. Trying to look at that fish. Nice.
You want to save him? He's still moving.
Probably.
Alright.
Yeah, use him again.
Let's go put him back. You want to just put him on the bump just to know, or?
Sure. Yeah, just so I know if he's over 17. Ooh, he almost jumped back. Nice. Should we use him again?
Why not, bro?
Is he alive? Oh, hell yeah, dude. If anything, it'll be a little bit weak and easier for another walleye to eat. Every time we missed a fish on this tip up, we've been walking through this 10 inches of water. Nah, just 2 inches of water, but and making a wake on top of the ice, and it's clear ice right here, so. And I just moved it a little bit deeper too. Nice. There's a lot of water around here.
I would say.
Damn rain.
What's a 3/4 cup of water? This. Good.
And another tip up. Heard this one go off. Oh yeah, something's there. Oh yeah.
Get him. Rinsed him.
Oh, ripped it out of his mouth.
Ripped him right out.
God dang it. Are you serious? I don't even think he got the hook, dude. So get a minnow. I think he just had the minnow. Maybe he'll bite again. Hurry up!
Wow, this is one that we've never done yet.
Yeah, dude, this is the fanciest start to the ice season ever, bro. Fucking tacos on ice.
Bell. Bell.
Well, oh shit. Middle of tacos. Take her slow.
Okay.
Oh shit. It's running with it. Rod's bouncing.
Get him. Sick him.
Got him.
Ooh, nice one.
Well, that's a nice one. That can be our over.
Yep. Should we move Andy's over here?
That's a nice one.
That's definitely 7.
Go on. Yeah, it's over 17. It's probably 18, pushing 19. It's a nice one.
Look at that thing.
I want to get one of those, dude. I want to get so much stuff. Look how he's hooked, bro. Perfect.
Damn. Should I drill a hole over here?
If you want.
Why isn't it doing much over here anymore? Right?
No?
Look at all that. They'll be back.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. I'm glad we put that treble hook on here. Fish with the tacos? What a perfect timing.
Perfect timing. How are your glasses?
Oh, steaming.
I'll put them up. Ooh, 18.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Good fish.
It's fun on the tuned up rod. Look at that. It's a beaut. It's definitely been a finicker bite today. A lot of them has been coming on the tip ups, that's for sure. Adding the collection. Oh my goodness. Let me see, we got quite the setup. Making tacos.
Eating tacos.
So we're running on our tip ups today. Red hooks, minnows. These bells, they're so nice. And they make it so much funner. Or more fun. Nice. In the mud.
Oh yeah.
Just hugging the bottom. It's gonna be a very light bite if he bites it, I feel like.
Beautiful job, dude.
Perch, dude!
Oh, nice. That's a bigger one than I thought.
Perch on a perch lure. He hit that pretty hard for a freaking perch. Wow, he's just not coming off.
No, I had the same problem with mine.
It's a nice one. Kinda. See ya. Livescope. Alright, we gotta move the tackle stuff.
And another
Yeah,
dip
go, go,
up.
go, go.
He's gotta be there. He's gotta be there. He ate that one hard. Better fish? Oh yeah. Woo, no.
Oh yeah.
Our keeper.
Yeah, it's gotta be under 6.
What do you say about that?
I say that's sweet.
What was that all about?
You know, the big ones are a lot easier to grab by the tail, that's for sure.
Look at that beauty.
Look at that.
Nice fish.
Oh yeah.
It's a nice eater. Ooh, perfect. On the side of the mouth.
Popped right out. He's right there.
Oh yeah. We'll take that.
Coming back at you.
Smack it. Come on.
Kiddo. I just got hit.
Really?
Yep. Everything just went. Couldn't tell you I was on my phone.
How is he not? Nice.
Oh! That one's staying.
Yeah. That's respectable.
Oh, bro. There's a whole minnow in there.
Alright, he's probably the one that stole our minnow from last time. Digested. Oh.
Oh!
That's one of our.
That's one of those that we threw.
Nice.
You got a towel.
I know. Oh, my fucking minnow head.
I was like, oh, something on the bottom. You just stopped.
Oh, Drew. You're gonna get smacked. That's a big fish. He's gotta have it. Nice. Good walleye. You get him?
Yep.
Nice, dude.
Just the moment of silence.
He was stuck in that hole.
Where'd he go? All the way back here? Come here, Jimmy. Ow, ow, ow. He's not happy.
Nope.
Nice fish. Well, oh, he's got a word on him. Look at that. Blech. We got a 15.25-inch walleye ready.
Dinkaroni!
That's the limit, brother.
Is it?
Alright, so let's go take a look.
No! You take a look.
We kept 1 over 17, correct?
Yeah. I said it was a big mark and it was the littlest fish of the day.
Hey.
That was a fun day. It's definitely eventful. Definitely missed way too many fish. It was kind of a shit show. Had at least, I would say at least 20 flags, and we missed probably 12 of them, I would say. It was a very finicky bite. They would pick it up and they would drop it, and then we missed probably a good handful jigging too. It was a fun day. It was a very fun day. It's definitely an adventure. I'm pretty sure we got our limit, but it's kind of a grind. For every 10 we missed, we probably caught 1 or 2. It was one of those days, but it was a fun day. Made a bunch of food, ate some tacos on the ice. Never done that before, but yeah, tomorrow's our last day. Probably film that, so stay tuned. Hope we can make a video out of that. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We're gonna make some steaks and some potatoes probably. Gourmet on the ice. So yeah, stay tuned. Adios, thanks for watching.